Hey, welcome you guys back to the channel. So this morning I'm doing just a really quick warm up, getting the fingers warm. It's a rainy day up here in the mountains, so being outside is not really something that's going to probably happen today. So it looks like it's going to be primarily a work day, and for those of you who visit my channel a lot know that I like to get a warm up in. And I've been kind of on a pirate kick lately. But with these drawings, I'm breaking things down a little bit more simplified and using really simple shapes, triangles, squares, circles. In general, if I'm doing different character types, what they represent, in the storyline. So this particular character being more of a captain type, he's more clean cut, although he does have some pirate attributes. That triangle with softer edges gives him a sense of balance and authority. As I progress through the characters, you'll see that I'll get a little rougher, in my concept design. And these are just literally taking me, 5 to 7 to 10 minutes maximum, and then I move on to the next one. And, just exploring some of those character shapes and types that again represent that particular character in the story. I'm using my Kohi Noor red pencil just because it was handy, and sitting down at my desk I had my Bristol board in front of me. I don't really prefer any particular type of instrument, just as long as it doesn't inhibit me from creativity, whether it be a computer, whether it be a sketchbook, or a type of pencil. A lot of people have their favorites. I've got them all. I've got, the Blackwing pencils, the Cali-Erase pencils you see there at the top, the Kohi Noor, the Prisma pencil, Ticonderoga, graphite, wax, you name it. I've tried pretty much everything. Conti pencils. So just as long as it doesn't inhibit me from creativity and it makes a good solid mark and it doesn't smear, that's another big deal. Having it smear underneath my hand is kind of irritating. That's probably why I don't use charcoal that much. But anyway, so that's where I'm at. I'm just doing some characters. So I'm going to go ahead and quit yapping. And you guys enjoy the time lapse and the music. And please like and subscribe if you like what you see. We are building the channel pretty substantially. Not substantially, I wish. Regularly. It's got a constant base that we keep on building on. And the further I go in the channel, the more and more that I'll start doing, just because of time constraints. I can't spend 4 or 5 hours on a video right now, just because of the fact that I need to be paid for my time. Anyway, thank you guys for visiting, and we'll see you soon. Enjoy.